What is up, you bunch of savages? There's a cheese right there, so if you hear any weird noises in the background, it's her. And I am right here. I've got y'all on my GoPro on my chest, and that's me right there. Come over here on this ottoman, and let's put together the Iron Rattler nanocoaster from Coaster Dynamics. Oh my gosh, all right, how about that? I'll probably do some speed time-lapse thing. Let's take everything out and see what we've got here. All right, I think that's it. Okay, let's see what tools I need. All right, here's this thing. Let's have a seat right here. Let's see what we've got. So we've got the base bit right here. Apparently I've got to peel off this thing. I don't think I got to peel off that part, but anyway. Let's do the Iron Rattler. Dude. This thing does not want to play ball at all. It doesn't even want to come out. Uh-oh. Is there some kind of rubber cement type crap stuck on there? Dude, what's that all about? Dude! You don't need that crap stuck to it. What the heck? All right, let's throw that away. All right, so still got to peel these bits off here. All right, by the way, here's the back of the box. It is like 35 bucks, but with the Diamond Elite membership at Six Flags, you get it for half price. And here's some stats there of the actual coaster. Actual assembled model, you build it yourself. All right. All right, apparently the worst part is taking this stuff off. Oh boy. I managed to get this to peel back, yay us. Ooh. Satisfaction. Dang, dude. Oh, yo. Not so satisfaction. There we go. Sweet. That's just the bottom though. Gotta think this is the top.